Hi, Jolene here, Ride the Wind e-bikes. If you could take a moment to like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Thank you for watching our videos. We do lots and yeah, thank you. Jolene here, Ride the Wind e-bikes. As you already know, this is the super popular flies out the door Taubik Bolts. It is the nicest folding e-bike that we have. So between emmo and Taubik, it's beautiful. So to fold this bike, it is quite easy. You don't have to take off the seat, but you do need to take off the seat to take the battery out, which I highly recommend because it just makes it that much lighter. Thank you. This is Marshall's.
I'm the assistant and the owner of the bike.
He's letting us use his bike for demo. So actually I will have you come in for this. You have an on and off for your battery. So if it's all the way to the right, it's on, off, and then push in and turn to the left, and that takes your battery out. So I'll hand that over to Marshall. Okay, so you take the kickstand off, fold in the pedals by pulling this lever out. If you can see that, I'll do it like this, like that. Okay, these I like set like this, which we've learned. And there's a safety on the center clamp, and it says open, so you have to push that forward and pull this out at the same time. And now you've got a stand under here. It doesn't always sit perfectly, but you kind of come around and it kind of goes to the edge. It doesn't stand up straight. I haven't quite figured that out. But they're obviously easier to move when they're put together. And so for the handlebars, there's a safety here that you just turn with your hand. You see it kind of goes in that little slot there so that you don't lose your handlebars. So pull that out, and this just pulls forward and comes back. Now to pick it up, you know, maybe under here and the rack, still a good 50 pounds, feel the abs. And then to put it back together, put that up, clip that in, kind of get in between here.
Safety?
Yes, Marshall's like, put the safety on. Get it together, clip that, push your safety back in, put the kickstand down. Bob's your uncle.
Well done.
Thank you again for watching. Just again, if you could like and subscribe, we do lots of videos, lots of content, and we have a lot of fun, reviews. Hey, quiet on the set, as usual. And if you're thinking of buying, give us a call, check out our website. And we would love the opportunity to earn your business.